Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can record screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft PowerPoint application on my computer, and as you can see I have created a new file, and I'm going to use this Microsoft PowerPoint to record screen, and I'm going to add the video to the slide. First of all, we can go to the record menu in Microsoft PowerPoint and we can choose the screen recording feature. Okay, then select the recording area. Click on select area right here, and then we're going to select the recording area. Okay, and once you're ready to start the recording, you can click on record. Okay, and hold on. Alright, and now the recording is being started. And if you want to stop the recording, you can move your cursor to this part until this menu appears on your screen. And we can click on the symbol to stop the recording. Alright, and as you can see guys, that the video has been automatically added to the slide. And I'm going to play it to show you the result. Alright, and now the recording is okay guys, and that's all the way to record screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.